I'm gonna show you how to download the Venmo app. It's by PayPal. First, what you want to do is go to your app store and start typing Venmo, and you see right there, you'll see the V that say send and receive money. So once you get it downloaded, the only thing you want to do is go and click and open it up. Once you open it up, I'm gonna sign up with my email and just put your first name, and then you type your last name and put the email address you want to use and create a passcode. Once you do that, hit done and hit next. You can read the agreement, but it's about 100 pages long. So once you hit next, it's going to ask you to verify by phone. You enter your phone number, hit send. It's going to send you a 4-digit code. You enter that code and hit submit, and it'll give you a user ID. Then hit done. And I'm not going to allow. You can allow and hit next, and don't allow. And you can keep going through, and I'm sliding through each of the processes. Hit done. Mine says public, don't allow. You can connect it to your contacts if you want to, but I'm gonna go here to the far left, and I'm gonna go to home. I'm gonna add $10, and I'm gonna add my bank account, and I'm gonna do an instant verification. So now I'm gonna have to enter my user ID and passcode for my Bank of America I'm using, and it's gonna click I'm not a robot, and then it's gonna ask you how you want to verify it. I'm gonna do mine by text. As you can see, it sent me this code. You put it in and hit continue. Now you're logged on, so your account is linked. So now you can add and send money to friends. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.